You bought her brand new, right? You bet. Tell us a little bit about her if you want. Bought her in 1987.
It was bought in 87, and we used it in the field pretty much extensively until we went no field. So it's been retired now. We use it for time.
There you go.
It was wireless track.
Wireless track. And you have
This was wild.
replaced the tack, and we've got the old tack here.
Yep.
It's sitting in there, guys. Doesn't it tell you what? A little under 3,000
Just a little under 3,000 axle hours on a one-owner tractor, guys.
Good track.
Hasn't worked very hard the last 10 years. Just mowed some road ditches and tilled the garden once in a while. There you go. All right. There you go. On the CaseIH 2394. On a good tractor right here. On this one, here we get $15 dollar. It's 15. Here we get $15 dollar. It's 15. Here we get $15 dollar. And 15 down, but about $15 dollar. 10,000. It's $10 dollar. And 10. Here we get 10 down, 12 and a half. It's 10 down, 12 and a half. It's 10 in the back. Got to be 12 and a half. It's 10 down, 12 and a half. Here we get 12 and a half. 10,000 down, 12 and a half. 15. It's 12 and a half. 15 down, 17 and a half. It's 15. Bid 17 and a half. It's 15. Bid 17 and a half. Here we get 15. 17 and a half. It's 15. Bid 17 and a half. 15 in the back. 17 and a half. 15 bid 70 and a half. Now do $20 dollar. It's $20 dollar. It's 70 and a half. Bid $20 dollar. It's the 20,000 on the internet. 22 and a half. It's 20,000 down 2 and a half. It's $20 dollar and 2 and a half. It's $20 dollar and 22 and a half. 20,000, 22 and a half. It's $21,000. Give $21,000. It's $21,000 and 20,000. Bid $21,000. It's $20,000. Bid $21,000. It's $20,000. Bid $21,000 and 21,000 and 21,000. Now 22. It's 21, 22, 21 here. Got to be 22. It's 22 on the internet. 23. It's $23,000. It's 22. Internet's in. Got to be $23,000. It's 22, $23,000. It's 22, $23,000 and 23. I'm about $23,000. It's 22, $23,000. It's $23,000 and 23,000 and 23. You're going to get 23. 22.5. Now $23,000. Internet, you're out. It's 23,000. 23, 23.5. It's 23.5. It's 23.5 and 23.5 and 23.5 and it gets 23.5. 23,000. 23.5. It's 23.5 and 23.5 and 23.5. $23,000. It's 23.5 and 23.5. 23.5. Now $24,000. 23.5. $24,000. Give $24,000. It's 24 on the internet. 24.5. It's 24.5 and 24.5 and 24.5 and 24.5. 24,000. Bid 24.5. It's 24.5 and 24.5 and 24.5 and 24.5. 24,000. Internet's in. Bid 24.5. It's $24,000. Not 24. Now 5. Here we get $25,000. It's 24. It's 24.5. It's 24.5. It gets 24.5. It gets 24.5. It gets 24.5. Sold the tractor. $24,000.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineryPete.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineryPete.com.